In today's quick video, I'm going to talk about what made me from an average trader into a good trader. At least I consider myself a very good trader. So what made me from an average trader into a very good trader? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the 2nd of December, I think. I'm just waiting for NFP to hit, so don't mind this Euro USD trade. I'm just going to close it as soon as I finish the video. Just waiting to see what's going to happen with the last NFP of 2022, the last non-farm payroll of 2022. That's why I'm actually on the USDXY chart there, and you can see the other videos on this channel talking about how I use USDXY as a matter of my trading strategy. So if you are new on the channel, please consider subscribing. That's how you are not going to miss any of our future videos. If you're looking to download stuff, forex robots, indicators, books, courses, all those things that people are selling out there, including my system here, I developed myself, and you can get it for free using the links in the description box below. So visit those links if you're looking for courses, indicators, books and stuff like that. You can download everything there for free. Everything that we do on this channel is for free. So getting back to our video, what made me from an average trader into a consistently good trader? At least I think myself to be a good trader because I've been consistently profitable for more than 2 years now. So I consider myself a very good trader. There are actually several factors that made me into a consistently good trader that brought me to where I am today. And I believe the key ingredient for that, was actually owning my shit. What do I mean about that? When I started trading, like most of everybody, I think everybody starts with that stage. I looked around the internet, I scoured around the depths of the internet, I went everywhere, I attended seminars, I actually joined a mentorship, and I tried people's courses, mentorships, strategies and stuff like that. I actually thought, because I consider myself fairly intelligent, I actually thought I was the guy who was going to discover the holy grail of trading. So you will not believe the amount of indicators and strategies that I actually tested out when I was starting to trade just over 5 years ago. But in any case, there's no holy grail of trading. Let me save you the trouble. There's no holy grail of trading. So how do you then become a good trader? How do you go from average to a good trader? So the key ingredient that I consider made me from an average trader into a very good trader was actually owning my stuff. What do I mean? When you start, you are probably going to encounter mentorships, you're going to encounter strategies, you're going to encounter systems, you're going to encounter indicators that you are going to be sold or given by other people. There is no harm in that. Trust me, let me put it out there. There is no harm in that. We all need to learn from somewhere. We all need to learn from somebody who has done it, and we want to discover how they did it. So there is no harm in attending a course, in attending a mentorship, in getting signals, in getting a system from somewhere, whether you are buying it or somebody is giving it for free. There's no harm in that. But the danger is where people just then sit on their bums and they do nothing. They just take this strategy that the mentor has given them, and that's all that they are relying on. And they take these signals that they are getting, that's all they are relying on. They take these indicators that they got from somewhere, or the system that they got from somewhere, and that's all they are relying on. They are not doing anything to it, so it's not theirs. What exactly do I mean? If I developed a trading strategy, you'll find that if I take a loss, with my trading strategy. This is the system that I use. Basically, it's zone to zone. If you've been watching my videos, you understand how I trade is zone to zone. If I take a trade and it's a loss, I can quickly go into my charts and try and understand what not to do next time. Why did this happen? Because I'm the brains behind that system. I'm the person who developed my system. Unlike where you are actually a person who has just sold the system, or you were sold the strategy, or somebody just shared with you the strategy and stuff, but you did not go a step further and develop it into your own strategy. You get what I mean? So there's no harm in getting strategies, systems and everything from somebody else. We need to start from somewhere, but you actually need to go a step further and take it and tweak it and spin it that it becomes your own thing. Traders are different. We are different people. We have got different personalities. We have different moods. We have different whatever. We are different. So what works for the trader A will not work for trader B, even if they are using the same strategy. That's why sometimes you see your mentors are making money, but you are not making money. Of course, there's some stuff that some shady guys do. I'm not about that in today's video. But what I'm saying is, you find that sometimes you are in a group. You have got same strategy, you are trading with same broker, same pairs and stuff, but yet you find other people are making money, but you are not making money, because you never went a step further of turning whatever you were given, that strategy that you landed on, whether it was given to you, whether you bought it, whether you stumbled upon it on the internet and stuff like that, but you did not go a step further and transform that thing to become your own. You are an individual. You need to understand yourself, understand who you are. Some people, for example, cannot hold trades for 2 minutes. Some people, for example, they are fine with holding trades for 2 days. Understand what kind of a trader you are. Then find a strategy that goes with who you are. Life will be so simple for you, unlike trying to follow some rules that work for somebody else who has a character that is not you. You understand where I'm getting with this? So this is a key thing. There are several factors that made me a good trader, but this is one of the key things that actually I believe made me into a good trader. I tested a whole lot of strategies, I tested a whole lot of things, but what I ended up doing was actually taking the knowledge that I found out there and then sit down and decided on how I can make it my own, how I can make it mine. There are many people who trade support and resistance out there. There are many people trade supply and demand, trend lines, channels and stuff like that. I use those concepts, but I found that my approach is basically unique to me. It's not very unique, you can say that, but it works for me, because now when things don't go well, I actually know I shouldn't have done that. Maybe I should have tweaked that. Maybe I should have waited a little bit, and things like that, which is difficult if you're just relying on a thing that you were handed down or that was sold to you, and you don't even understand the intricacies of what makes that strategy a successful strategy, or what makes that system what it is. So my advice for you, if you're going to see a success in trading, is whatever you are being given, whatever you are learning out there, find a way of making it your own. Find a way of making it your own. Many people are trading using the very same strategy, but you find that some people are profitable and others are not, but they are using same strategy, same brokers, same pairs and stuff. You wonder what's going on here, because you need to own your own things. because you are a unique person. You need to tailor the strategy to you as a person. I hope this quick video has given you something to think about. Like the video, subscribe, see the links in the description box below. Guys, I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.